From the Rural Radio Network, I'm Lacey Shippey. Here's a look at what's happening in grain and livestock trade today. Cattle futures are sharply down. We have reached day 24 of the second longest U.S. government shutdown, which means a cattle on feed report is likely not happening today, leaving traders without any real numbers to help out a very uncertain market. Mexico's ag minister is also calling for the reopening of the border for Mexican cattle to pass, even though the New World screwworm is still a problem. He will travel to Washington next week to meet with Ag Secretary Rollins, and he says he is hopeful for some type of agreement on the border reopening. With the exception of October, which will go off the board next week, contracts are all limit down today for both live and feeder cattle futures. Box beef prices were higher yesterday, with choice up $2.49 and select up $1.13. Cash trade was very thin yesterday, but there are some traded in the north from steady to $1 lower. Asking prices are noted in the south at $2.43 plus. Lean hogs are mixed today. The December contract is over 50 cents higher, with the deferred contracts lagging a bit. Cash hogs and pork cutouts have not been able to find support this week. This may keep traders bearish into the weekend. On the grain side of things, corn futures are 1 to 3 cents lower this morning, with some technical selling after yesterday's rally. The weather ahead looks to be conducive to wrapping up the final stages of corn harvest, which has an estimated 5.5 billion bushels left. While most are expecting lower yields than the USDA last predicted, there are some storage problems beginning to happen with the very large crop nearing completion. Soybeans are also taking a bit of a breather today, 1 to 2 cents lower. Traders continue to wait on any word about the negotiations which may happen with China next week. India is likely to complete a trade deal soon with the U.S. and has promised to limit the import of Russian crude oil. A new deal with India could include more soybean, soy meal, and even corn purchases. The only potential problem is that India has outlawed GMO corn. Wheat futures are mixed to higher today, as we're seeing some short covering and carryover from yesterday's rally, which helped Kansas City wheat get back over $5, the first time since the end of September. That's a look at your markets. I'm Lacey Shippey for the Rural Radio Network.